Sisulu uthi izinkomba zithi lo mkhakha uzobuyela esimeni sangaphambi kokubheduka kwe-COVID-19 ngo-2024.
We are hoping that out of this, many other communities will be able to input into the document that we're putting together, the policy we're putting together, because around all of that, we are promoting local tourism to benefit local societies.
Abantu baseningizimu Afrika bayanxuswa ukuthi bavakashele izindawo zakuleli.
Let me say, indirect benefit of the lockdown is that South Africans had to travel within the country during that lockdown period. And the private sector was able to start looking at dual pricing models to say, look, you've got international travelers that come in with forex, but maybe there needs to be a dual pricing approach to make sure that product that was not previously accessible becomes accessible.
Isikhungo iKhwa Ttu Cultural and Educational Center sikhethele ukukhombisa amagugu asezindaweni zasemakhaya kuleli. Kodwa ubuholi bomphakathi wamasan buthi ayikho inzuzo eningi ngezokuvakasha njengamanje.
We want to be part and parcel of this whole tourism packet because we feel that we can bring and we can add value to the whole tourism in South Africa.
Sisulu uthi ingakho ke kuphume uhlaka olusha lwezokuvakasha ukuze umphakathi uphawule ngalo. Unxuse bonke abantu baseningizimu Afrika ukuthi babambe iqhaza kulolu hlelo.